Life's like a road that you travel on. There's one day here and the next day gone. Sometimes you bend, sometimes you stand, sometimes you turn your back to the wind. There's a world outside every darkened door where blues won't haunt you anymore. With a brave heart, free and lover's soul, come ride with me to the distant shore. We won't hesitate to lay down the garden gate. There's not much time left today. Life is a highway, I wanna ride it all night long. If you're going my way, well, I wanna drive it all night long. Through all these cities and all these towns, it's hit my blood and it's all around. I love you now like I loved you then. This is the road and these are the hands. From Mozambique to those Memphis nights, the copper paths have been cool as life. And knock me down back up again. You're in my blood, I'm not a lonely man. There's no road I can hold, the road's so rough, this I know. I'll be there when the light comes in. Just tell me we're survivors.
Let's go.
Do fancy it? Big time. Fuck him! I'm going for it! I'm going for it! He's popped her out! Here he is! He ain't seen me yet! Come on, Dad! Help!
So to end that on a crotch shot is a bit strange, I know. But unfortunately, this year has been a bit strange for everyone. With the big dreaded C word. And I'm not even going to bother saying it because I'm sick to death of hearing it. But hopefully everyone's had a good year. I've had an up and down year, but hey ho, things go on. We've always got next year. So let's go and smash this new year. And don't get too drunk, because I definitely am. I think I deserve a bev, and 2, and 3. So I'm going to go and get hammered. I hope you did enjoy. Please smash the like button. Please smash the subscribe button. Ding dong that notification bell. And I shall see you in the new year. And we are going I don't think you realise we are going harder than ever. I still don't think you're looking. Look at me. I don't think you realise we're going harder than ever. Yeah, have you got it? No, we are going harder than ever. Okay, you got it. Okay, that's fine. I'll move out your face now. But yeah, hope you did enjoy. Bit of a short one because, like an idiot, I decided to delete all my clips and that mid-year thinking I won't need them. But turns out I did need them. So yeah, I'm gonna love you and leave you here. Hope you did enjoy and peace.